Hey everyone, Dan Stillman with the Capital Weather Gang. Around 5 p.m. on Sunday, we're seeing that rain change to snow across the area. If you've seen our accumulation forecast map, you may be wondering why our boom ranges are so large. We've got a 25% chance of a 6 to 12 inch boom in our 3 to 6 inch range, and a 25% chance of a 4 to 8 inch boom in our 2 to 4 inch zone. One of the challenges with this storm is the potential for something called a Norlun Trough. That's named after the two meteorologists that described this meteorological feature that sometimes occurs on the northwest side of an offshore low pressure system like we have with this storm. You can see the strong low pressure there off the mid-Atlantic coast. And what happens if a Norlun Trough develops, you can get a narrow band of converging winds somewhere on the northwest side of the storm system, but very hard to pinpoint the exact location. And if you're talking about snow, that can lead to a difference of several inches of snow across a very short distance, sometimes less than 20 to 30 miles. That's exactly what several models are showing for this Sunday evening, a northern trough zone of converging winds near or to the west of DC. Anytime you've got converging winds near the surface, you get rising air, which increases the precipitation intensity. Here is one particular model depicting that zone near the western beltway. It's forecasting about 7 to 8 inches in the center of the zone, almost half of that downtown and on the other side of the beltway. Now, those numbers might be a little high when you factor in temperatures taking a little while to get down to around freezing. And again, this kind of a very localized zone, very difficult for models to get the location exactly right. So that leads us back to our forecast. This is our best effort to try and capture the range of snowfall possibilities across the DC area through this evening into early Monday morning. For the Capital Weather Gang, I'm Dan Stillman.